ground shakes as a giant shadow falls and the air suddenly feels wrong. A distant roar cuts off mid-scream and silence spreads across the ancient land. Nothing here knows it yet, but this moment will end a world forever. This story follows the final days of dinosaurs and the slow rise of humans. We will move through real events that reshaped Earth, guided by evidence left behind. You will see how extinction happened step by step without myths or exaggeration. By the end, the connection between lost giants and human survival becomes clear. 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled every land, sea, and sky on Earth. They were not failing creatures, they were successful, diverse, and deeply adapted animals. Forests echoed with movement, oceans churned with life, and balance felt permanent everywhere. No warning came from the sky and no creature sensed what approached Earth. Then a massive asteroid struck near modern Mexico, releasing energy beyond imagination itself. Firestorms raced across continents and darkness swallowed sunlight for months afterward. Worldwide, everywhere, plants failed, first breaking food chains that dinosaurs depended on for survival daily. Cold followed heat, dust-filled skies, and familiar seasons disappeared entirely for years. Large bodies needed constant food, and suddenly food was almost impossible to find. One by one, dominant species vanished, leaving fossils as their final messages behind. This extinction was fast in geological time, but painfully slow for living animals. Not every dinosaur died immediately, yet none could escape the collapsing systems around. Small creatures survived more easily, hiding, eating less, and adapting quickly to change. Among these survivors were early mammals, quiet, alert, and ready to endure hardship. They lived in shadows once, but the empty world slowly opened opportunities ahead. Millions of years passed, climate stabilized, and mammals spread into vacant roles everywhere. Brains grew more complex, hands became useful and social. Behavior strengthened survival chances. Long after dinosaurs fell, a small upright primate began walking across Africa slowly. This was not destiny or luck, but survival shaped by past extinction events. Humans inherited a changed planet, one cleared by catastrophe and time alone eventually. Understanding dinosaur extinction explains why humans exist and why Earth looks familiar today. This story is written in stone, ash, and bones beneath our feet everywhere. It reminds us survival depends on change, awareness, and respect for nature itself. After the impact, Earth entered a long recovery filled with uncertainty and fragile beginnings. Mammals remained small at first, avoiding danger by hiding underground and emerging carefully. They fed on insects, seeds, and leftovers, surviving where giants once dominated landscapes. Without dinosaurs, forests changed shape. Grasses spread and new paths opened slowly everywhere. This shifting world rewarded flexibility, not strength favoring thinkers over towering bodies alone. Over millions of years, mammals evolved sharper senses, warmer blood, and faster reproduction. Some climbed trees, some ran open plains, and others learned to cooperate together. One branch developed grasping hands and forward eyes, improving awareness and coordination skills. These early primates faced predators, hunger, and harsh climates that tested every decision. Survival depended on memory, learning, and passing knowledge across generations within small social groups. Time moved forward, continents shifted, and ice ages reshaped where life could persist. In Africa, changing environments pushed certain primates to stand and walk upright regularly. Walking freed hands for tools, carrying food and protecting young members together now. Stone tools appeared slowly, shaped by repeated strikes and careful observation over time. These tools were simple, but they extended strength and reduced deadly risks significantly. Fire later offered warmth, safety, and cooked food that improved survival chances greatly. Humans did not replace dinosaurs, but filled spaces left empty long before them. Extinction cleared paths, but intelligence and cooperation allowed humans to walk them successfully. This pattern shows how life responds when balance collapses and new opportunities emerge. Dinosaurs fell through sudden disaster while humans rose through patience and adaptation alone. Both stories are connected by Earth's changing systems and unforgiving natural rules everywhere. No species is guaranteed permanence, no matter how powerful it appears at any time. Humans learn to plan ahead, share resources, and prepare for uncertain futures together. These behaviors separated survival from extinction in a world shaped by chance events. The fall of dinosaurs became the silent foundation of human history as we know. Every fossil layer records loss, recovery, and lessons written without words over ages. By studying these layers, we learn how fragile dominance can truly be today. Our existence is tied to ancient disasters we never witnessed firsthand, ourselves directly. That truth carries responsibility as humans now shape Earth's future through choices made daily. What happens next depends on whether we remember how quickly worlds can end. The ancient impact teaches that Earth changes suddenly even when life seems stable. Dinosaurs thrived for over 160 million years before one moment into dominance. That length of success did not protect them from forces beyond their control. Asteroid evidence appears as a thin clay layer, rich with rare metal iridium worldwide. This layer marks a sharp boundary where dinosaur fossils abruptly disappear from rocks. Below it, life is abundant. Above it, large reptiles never return again. Scientists debate details, but the timing and cause align with remarkable precision today. Volcanoes also erupted, then adding stress through gases and long climate disruption periods. Extinction was not a single blow, but a sequence of compounding disasters together. Food webs collapsed first, then predators followed as prey vanished steadily everywhere. Survival favored creatures needing less food and reproducing faster under stress. Mammals fit this pattern, enduring scarcity while larger animals starved. As environments healed, evolution accelerated into forms, filling emptied ecological roles. Teeth changed limbs, specialized in behaviors, diversified across continents gradually. This quiet expansion set conditions for intelligence to become increasingly valuable. Brains help predict danger, remember resources, and coordinate group actions efficiently. Over time, communication improved, turning survival into shared strategy among early humans. Stories replaced instinct, allowing knowledge to travel beyond individual lifetimes. This advantage grew slowly, shaped by landscapes left after ancient extinctions. Humans learned seasons, animals, and terrain, adapting without overwhelming strength. The dinosaur age ended loudly, but the human rise happened quietly over ages. Still, both stories show nature does not reward dominance forever. Earth resets its balance using forces far larger than any species. Understanding this past helps us see ourselves clearly within Earth systems. We are not separate from history, but products of deep time changes. Every city stands on layers of vanished worlds beneath. Every fossil reminds us survival is temporary, not guaranteed. The same planet that nurtured humans once erased rulers without warning. Awareness of this truth shapes responsible thinking about our future choices. History asks whether humans will learn from extinction or repeat it again. Today, humans influence climate, oceans, and forests faster than most past forces combined. This power mirrors vulnerability because rapid change once erased dominant life across Earth. Dinosaurs did not choose extinction, yet consequences followed physical laws relentlessly everywhere, always. Humans, however, make choices daily that shape risks for future generations. Worldwide ahead, learning deep history offers guidance without fear, blame, or dramatic predictions. About tomorrow, science shows resilience grows from diversity, cooperation, and respect for limits over time. The fossil record is not distant trivia, but a practical warning system today. Past extinctions reveal patterns that help societies anticipate cascading failures under stress conditions. When systems strain together, recovery depends on flexibility and shared action across communities. Human success arose from learning quickly, not overpowering environments indefinitely, through careful adaptation. That lesson matters now as technology accelerates consequences beyond local boundaries. Worldwide today, remembering dinosaurs keeps perspective, reminding dominance can vanish without mercy across vast timescales. Humans inherited opportunity from catastrophe, then amplified. Survival through culture, learning, sharing memory. Culture carries responsibility to protect conditions that allow life to recover again later. Ignoring limits risks repeating. History, though causes would differ profoundly, this time globally. The dinosaur fall frames a mirror for humanity's present crossroads with clear stakes. Choices about energy, land, and cooperation influence outcomes unfolding. Now for future people, extinction is not fate but consequence following patterns. We can read together clearly. Studying ancient endings helps guide modern beginnings responsibly with evidence, humility, patience, care. This story connects bone stars and choices shaping tomorrow for our shared world. Understanding extinction deepens respect for life's fragile balance, cross-changing environments over time. Such respect transforms knowledge into stewardship rather than control for future generations everywhere. If this journey added clarity, the past has done its work for you. Questions remain, and thoughtful discussion helps sharpen understanding collectively across curious learning communities. History invites participation, not certainty, as evidence continues emerging. From rock slabs and archives, the future is unwritten, yet lessons stand clearly before us from deep time. What we do next determines whether resilience outpaces risk in coming decades ahead. Subscribe for clear evidence-based stories that explore Earth's deep past with calm narration. Share thoughtful comments to discuss how ancient lessons apply today for our future. Together we can keep learning from history to choose wisely as a community.